Alright guys, today I'm doing something a little bit different. This isn't a normal Minecraft video. This is actually a science assignment that I'm really excited to show you guys. And Mr. Scopin and Mr. Willis. But for you guys who think that this is a normal Minecraft video, it's not. This is a science assignment that I did where basically I built a cell in Minecraft and I explain about the organelles inside of it through metaphors. So I will show you guys, and then I will explain what it does in a cell. So I built a plant cell, and I guess without further ado, I'll show you guys. So this is my plant cell. So I'm going to first start with a cell wall. This is the cell wall right here, and it's filled with ravagers, at least it's supposed to be. Apparently they like this spot over here. But they will protect this cell from any creatures trying to come into it, and they will attack it. So basically, in a cell, the cell wall surrounds the plasma membrane of plant cells, and it provides strength and protection against stress. It also allows the cells to develop Tugor pressure, which is the pressure of the cell contents against the cell wall. So that is the cell wall. And now I'm going to show you guys the cell membrane. So this is the cell membrane. The cell membrane, or the plasma membrane, is basically it provides protection for the cell. It also creates an environment inside the cell, and it has several different functions. So one is to put nutrients into the cell, and one is to transport toxic substances basically out of the cell. So now I'm going to show you guys the cytoplasm. So I couldn't actually build the cytoplasm because it would ruin the stuff inside here. But basically, all this empty space right here that I'm flying around in serves as the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is what holds all of the organelles. And so basically, each and every item and thing inside of the cytoplasm is held by, or inside of the cell is held by the cytoplasm. It's basically, it acts as protection and it holds genetic material of the cell, and it holds all the organelles. So it protects from any damage or bumping into other cells. Now I'm going to move on to the mitochondria. So this is the it provides energy for the cell. So it's constantly shooting out potions, and that is providing energy to this cell. Now I'm going to move over to the chloroplasts. So the chloroplasts allow the cell to harness energy from the sun. So here is the sun that I built, and these things are producing energy, and they're taking the energy and transferring it over to the cell. So what chloroplasts do in a cell is they allow the plants to capture energy from the sun. So now on to ribosomes. Ribosomes carry proteins. So in here we can see that these pigs represent proteins, and they carry RNAs, and those are transmitted through the endoplasmic reticulum, which is a very cool thing. It basically produces proteins for the rest of the cell to function. It basically has on it has the ribosomes up there that I showed you, which make those proteins, and this transfers the proteins to the cell. So next I'm going to show you the Golgi apparatus. What the Golgi apparatus does is it packages proteins into vesicles. So here, I will show you the vesicles. So this right here is picking up all of the pork chops, which serves as our proteins, and it is collecting them, then packaging them into here. So these are the vesicles. And, well, vacuoles and vesicles. So, basically, a vacuole is um, it helps get rid of waste and helps maintain water balance. And sometimes these can even take up almost a whole entire cell. But I shrunk it down just for like looks purposes, you know. So next I will show you the lysosome. So the lysosome basically it um, it breaks down or it basically they break down excess cell parts. They also are used to destroy viruses and bacteria. So let me show you that. These iron golems will kill anything that spawns. And so they are serving as the lysosomes because they are killing the viruses. Next, I'll show you the nucleus. The nucleus controls the activities that go on in the cell, like growth and metabolism. It also carries the genes and even hereditary information. This serves as the nucleus. It's because it's an elder guardian and it controls the other guardians. All right, guys. That was my cell tour. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah. And Mr. Scopin and or Mr. Willis, thank you guys for this assignment. It was really fun. I had a lot of fun building this. All right, guys. Thank you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe.